The Chevy Malibu key fob, used in models from 2013 through 2025, typically requires a CR2032 battery for its remote functions. To open the case, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver. Insert the screwdriver into the notch, often near the keyring area or along the side seam of the fob. Gently pry the case apart using the screwdriver. Avoid excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic case. If the case is stuck, especially in humid climates, use a hairdryer on low heat to warm the plastic and loosen any adhesive. Once open, you'll see the battery compartment. Be careful not to damage the internal components. With the fob open, remove the old CR2032 battery using the screwdriver tip to gently pop it out. Note the battery orientation. The positive plus side faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Snap the fob case back together, ensuring it's fully closed. Test the fob buttons to ensure they work. If the remote doesn't work, try reprogramming. Insert the key into the ignition, turn to on without starting, and press lock, unlock repeatedly. If issues persist, check for corrosion on contacts. Clean with cotton swab and rubbing alcohol. If these steps fail, seek professional reprogramming from a Chevy dealer.